No wind blows in favor of a ship without direction. These words belong to a famous philosopher Seneca and illustrate the importance of having clear goals in life. Just as a ship without a rudder is at the mercy of the winds, we too can easily drift aimlessly without a clear direction in life. In our life, goals are like threads in the big picture. Goals give us direction and purpose. They help us to focus our energy and efforts on what is important to us. Goals can motivate us to take action. When we have something to strive for, we are more likely to get up and do something. Goals can help us to track our progress. By setting goals and tracking our progress, we can see how far we have come and identify areas where we need to improve. Goals can help us to develop new skills and knowledge. When we set goals that are challenging, we are forced to learn new things and develop new skills. Achieving your goals is not just about wishing for them. It's about taking concrete steps to make them a reality. Let's talk about steps to help you create better goals and turn your dreams into reality. Step 1. Be clear what you want to achieve. A popular musician, Billy Cox, once said, "Clarity is power. The more clear you are about what you want, the more likely you are to achieve it." Here is an example to illustrate the power of clarity. Imagine a runner who wants to run a marathon. If the runner has a vague goal of running a marathon someday, they are less likely to achieve their goal than if they have a clear goal of running a marathon in 4 months. This is because the runner with a clear goal will be more likely to schedule time to train, find a training plan, find a running partner, track their progress, make adjustments to their training plan as needed, stay motivated and focused. On the other hand, the runner with a vague goal is more likely to only run when they feel like it, skip workouts, get injured easily, give up on their goal. As you can see, clarity is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. The more clear you are about what you want, the more likely you are to take action and achieve your dreams. Step 2. Set SMART goals. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. This quote by Anthony Robbins highlights the transformative power of goal setting. When we set goals, we are essentially taking the intangible and making it tangible. We are taking something that exists only in our minds and giving it a concrete form. In our video on self-reflection, we spoke about the importance of setting SMART goals, that is, goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Today, let's take a look at an example of a SMART goal. Suppose a person wants to lose weight and sets a goal to lose 10 pounds in 6 months. This goal can indeed be considered SMART. It is specific, as the goal is clear and unambiguous. It is measurable, because the goal can be tracked and measured. It is achievable, as the goal is realistic and attainable. A person can indeed lose 10 pounds in 6 months with a healthy diet and exercise plan. It is relevant, because the goal is important to the person setting it. Losing weight can improve a person's health and self-esteem. It is time-bound, as the goal has a specific deadline. Step 3. Create a plan. A goal without a plan is just a wish. These words belong to Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Once you have set your goals, it's time to create a plan for how you're going to achieve them. What steps do you need to take to get from where you are now to where you want to be? Going back to our example about losing 10 pounds in 6 months, a good plan to achieve your goal could be the following. Set a daily calorie deficit of 500 calories. This will help you to lose weight at a safe and sustainable rate. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Make healthy food choices. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Track your progress. Weigh yourself regularly and monitor your diet and exercise habits. Finally, make adjustments to your plan as needed. If you're not losing weight as quickly as you would like, you may need to adjust your calorie deficit or exercise routine. Step 4. Take action. A goal without an action plan is a daydream. Having a plan is great, but it's not enough to just sit around and wait for things to happen. You need to take action and start working towards your goals. So, to lose 10 pounds in 6 months, you can join a gym or start exercising at home, cook healthier meals at home instead of eating out, drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, find a workout buddy or join a fitness class for motivation. Make small changes to your diet and exercise habits that you can stick with over time. Step 5. Track your progress. Once you start tracking your goals, you're able to see the small, day-by-day progress that you might not otherwise notice. This quote by Betsy Ramser-Jamie emphasizes the importance of tracking progress towards goals. When we track our progress, we're able to see the small, incremental steps we're taking towards our desired outcomes. So for the goal to lose 10 pounds in 6 months, you can track your progress by weighing yourself weekly to monitor your progress, monitoring your diet and exercise habits by keeping a food journal or using a fitness tracker, setting mini goals along the way, such as losing 2 pounds in the first month or fitting into a certain pair of jeans by a certain date. Step 6. Overcome challenges. Without a doubt, there will be challenges along the way, but don't give up. Learn from your setbacks and keep moving forward. If you want to lose 10 pounds in 6 months, there are likely to be some setbacks along the way. For example, you may get sick and miss a week of exercise. To overcome this setback, don't beat yourself up about it. It is important to recognize that everyone gets sick sometimes. Get back on track as soon as you're feeling better. Make sure you're still eating healthy and drinking plenty of fluids. Step 7. Celebrate your achievements. Finally, as you achieve your goals, take the time to celebrate your success. This will help you to stay motivated and keep moving forward. So after losing 10 pounds in 6 months, you may have a spa day or treat yourself to a new outfit. Go out to a nice restaurant to celebrate your progress. Take a vacation to a place you've always wanted to go. Remember, goal setting is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process that requires regular evaluation and adjustment. Be patient with yourself. With dedication, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. If you've resonated with the content of this video and want to continue exploring strategies for self-improvement, hit that subscribe button below for regular updates on self-development tips and inspiration. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Your likes motivate us to keep creating content that matters. Also, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. We love hearing from our community and learning about your experiences with self-development. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and keep growing.